What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Fred Fletch back again with another video. In today's video, I will be taking a trip to the exhaust shop. I was hoping my boy would do the weld for me, but he didn't respond back, and I kind of want to put it on today because the package is out for delivery today. So it is coming through FedEx. Signature is required. No one's gonna be home, and I'm gonna be at work. So I left a note on the door. Hopefully that note works and they leave it, because UPS be leaving packages all the time with no signature. But FedEx, they'll leave you like a fucking note saying, "Oh, we'll try it back again tomorrow," type shit. And I ain't with that car. I ain't gonna be here tomorrow either. I'm gonna be at work. So hopefully it works. The car also has a new look. I got rid of the sports. Everyone that knows me, that's following on my videos, keeps up with my videos, they should already know what wheels I have on the car right now for the winter. No, it's not the weds. So I'm gonna show you the wheels. I'm gonna get a last in-cabin sound clip driving the car, and then fingers crossed that they drop the package off and I can come. I'm gonna come home for lunch, because normally they come around like 1, 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to time it and come home, see if I can beat them here, eat, and then wait for them, and then grab the package and show you the mufflers that I got. So yeah. So if you didn't guess, yes, I got Kanze tandems. I got Kanze tandems. Oh wait, I'm blue center caps are going away. The 19 by 10.5. 12 all set. I stretched 225, 35 tires on it. Yeah, man, it's skating, man. Skating. I got drift dialect mufflers, so that's like that's not I didn't want that to be like a secret for you guys that's waiting, but I got drift dialect mufflers. Hopefully they come today, bro. I'm trying to get them on, man. The reason I have right now, my car is muffler deletes and resonator deletes, so it's a straight pipe, and it's decently loud. It drones. I have a 1-month-old daughter, so she be sleeping in here, but I don't know, I just feel like the noise is like not good for her, like the drone, and the drone does get annoying sometimes for me, like, so hopefully these mufflers quiet the car down a little bit, but still give it a good sound. I don't see any videos on YouTube of an Accord with these, so I'm calling it now. I'm the first Accord on YouTube with drift dialects. I'm not the first Accord with them, but although the Accords I see with it, they just rolled it onto this stock exhaust with the resonator and shit still there, so it's like, this shit don't sound like anything. That's a straight pipe, so it should have a little tone. As long as I can still hear the, exhaust a little bit, I'll be happy. But if it's completely silent, I'm doing it for the looks too. But I mean, fuck it. You can always get PRL front pipe, and I found a company that makes down pipes for the 1.5. So we'll see. finally got the muffler secured, bro. Drift dialects, bro. These shits are massive, bro. Do you see how big this shit is, bro? This shit is humongous, bro. Like, bro, this shit is massive, dog. Bro, they so gas, bro. I can't wait to see what they look like and sound like on the freaking car, bro. But we here. About to get these chopped off right now. Alright guys, first startup. Let's see what it sounds like. Damn. That shit's silent. I make noise. It definitely makes noise. Okay, it's not bad. It's definitely quieter than it was before. About to jack this car all the way up. Get off this lift, and head back to work and get some pictures and some cinematic shots for y'all and some revs. Alright, yeah, let's go. I could definitely still hear the exhaust. It sounds good as fuck. It sounds mad good, bro. It's like a nice deep tone. And it's still burbles. I feel like if I get a front pipe and a down pipe, it'll like wake it up even more and change the sound. But I'm gonna let it rock like this for a little bit, cause I still hear it, bro. I'm heading back to work right now. I'm about to post the quad tips for sale, so I'll catch up to y'all when I'm back at the shop. Man, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man. Quick little video for the new exhaust setup. Hopefully you guys like it. I like it. I got the outcome I wanted. No drone. It looks good and it still has a good tone. And I can still hear it inside the car. So I mean, that's what I was really looking forward to. It being quiet, but quiet to the point where I still can hear it. So comment, like, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next one, man. We out of here. Peace.